going on, guys? Show you here, S54 swap, vert. Special. All of Unrivaled Concepts cars come with that. Additionally, no fee. Tell him.
What's up? Show him this or what?
You gotta tell him what this is.
This is a 2JZ swap 330. I'm playing.
Got ourselves a little E30 here. S54 swap, D30.
Turbo. Nah. Playing.
Stand hella clean.
Fresh cracks, you know what I mean?
Nah, hella cool. This dude only buys red cars.
Red is for men. I'm playing.
And he uses red chapstick too.
Red chapstick. Hey, I'm not gonna lie to you, that trans that I sold, this is what was in my E39. You see this, like, green fluid? This was in my brake. This was my brake fluid. Fucking when the car wash destroyed my brake booster. 39. Just trying to, like, some of this residual shit out.
Oof, that looks terrible, dude.
I'm gonna. Okay, let's see.
So this is brake booster mixed with water or what?
Yeah. Mixed with fucking car wash water.
Car wash water.
And now I'm just fucking. Oh shit.
You just squirted everywhere, dog.
Rinsing it with oil just because I'd rather have oil go in.
Yeah, so we're gonna fill up trans, new fluids, get rid of excess. Any monkey with the mallets that are gonna be doing this at home, how would you tell them how to start this? Don't know what they're doing.
Oh, just full send, dude. That's the only way you learn. Full send.
Just attempt it.
Just know what works and what doesn't.
So where'd you get this tool at?
Where did I get this from? Harbor?
Harbor Freight.
Mm-hmm.
Harbor Freight special right here.
So your trans doesn't really, it might not even take this whole bottle.
No?
Uh-uh.
It's all good.
Because it's like, I think the capacity is like a little less than a quart.
Oh, okay.
You see how thick this fluid is?
Yeah. I mean, it's gonna run way smoother than that freaking boo-boo fluid in there. So we actually got this engine and trans from the San Jose parts car that we got. It was abused. No maintenance, really. Is it taking everything?
What the fuck? Okay. It should be pouring out if it's full.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Want me to put more? Because not that much came out.
Oh yeah.
Because the capacity is pretty low. I could try to see if I have extra if you want.
Should we?
Just fuck it. Better
Just
safe
top
than
it.
sorry, dude.
Yeah, just top it off.
You know what I mean?
Thanks. Also here, you can tell this was never replaced.
Show me the other one.
Which one?
Well, both ends broke off.
Oh. Oh, I know.
Crusty ball.
All the ends were broken inside. So replace your coolant pipes.
All right. I think for the majority it's just oil in there.
Just oil. All right, we're gonna start it on.
Filling the trans.
All right, welcome back, guys. We did not film this part, but we got the engine in. What's going on, Nick?
Right now we're connecting the power steering, but somehow the fucking bracket got bent, so I have to bend it back. That's what's going on right now. Then we gotta hook everything else up.
Hook everything up. We got the rest of the drivetrain to put in, the drive shaft and rear diff.
The rear diff, I'm kind of scared, not gonna lie.
The bolts are kind of seized on there. But yeah, we got it in. And so how we did it was, I went underneath the car to kind of pull the engine in, and Nick was controlling everything from up here. He dropped it and all that stuff. What's going on, guys? So we haven't updated you. We have ran into some issues underneath the car. We are taking out the welded diff and putting on a different welded diff. This one's fucked. Can't really see down there, but we strippy the. There she is. Gotta run out of zone, get some new belts. We'll start her up.
First rip.
The brakes feel a little hard.
The rest.
Fat ticket on the way home.